Good morning. Oh, itong aking kitten na makulit. Okay, anyway, so today I'm back in Baguio. And tada! So, I'm back in Baguio. We arrived like the other day, I think. And today I just want to check on the plants because I've been away for like a month. Almost a month. So here's the east side of the balcony. Yeah, they're doing okay, but what's that, celery didn't make it, but these ones are okay. The leaves on the bougainvillea haven't grown yet, really. I think it needs water and it needs to settle even more, because I just repotted that like a few months ago, I guess. So yeah, this is the cat. This balcony was really messy when I arrived because the pets and all. And yeah, okay, Vietnam rose is settling quite well, but it doesn't have any leaves just yet, but it's settling. Same with this one. There's a weed in here. I'm gonna remove that later. And this one is also settling. My Prolifica. They're also settling. And my Sedum Angelina, they need water and they're starting to dry out. So I'm gonna need to move this in the shade. Maybe here. It can get a little bit of shade. And dyan siya. Kasi masishade siya from here. And let's go check on the plants over here. This has been messed up. Cats still were able to enter this place. This is actually how I left it. I honestly wasn't able to finish all the potting, and I left all the things that needed to be potted in this table, and it's an entire whole lot of mess when I left them. But some of the plants, I left them in this box, and as you can see, many of the pots have been toppled by the cats. I believe a cat went here to, I don't know, sleep or pee or poop or whatever, I don't know. But they messed up the plants in the box. Okay. My propagations, they're okay. Nag-dry out yung mga Vietnam rose. This one is doing okay. Matibay yun. The leaves are so dry on this one. Silver. Hindi ko pala na-focus maigi yung aking cover. Yan. Tapos, ang clavatum, it's settling quite well. As you know, these are all almost newly repotted because I was potting them before I left, right? And so that means the roots haven't really been settled that much yet. But so far, some are surviving. I think the plant that I put in here is gone. That's a baby plant, I guess. I don't see it. And then this one is doing okay. This is a crest. I love it. And the string of turtles, ayun, buhay pa naman, pero sana mag-settle siya dyan. So medyo kailangan kong i-mist ito mamaya, i-moist ng konti, para mag-moist ng konti yung ibabaw. But nag-rot yung ibang mga stems niya dahil na overwater yung last time. Okay, string of hearts, Haworthia. This one may mga fungal yung gitna nito ay mukhang wala, but that's fine. Ito naman medyo umu-okay yung gitna pero may fungal tingi. Isa-isahin ko ba? Ipapan ko na lang. Ayan, so far ayan sila. May ilang mga natumba-tumba dahil constantly umakyat ang mga cats dito. Anyway, tapos, ito ano nangyari dito? I think, may sumira sa gitna niya. Could be fungus or something else, some insect. But that's okay, that will grow baby plants. Kasi so far okay pa naman ang kanyang roots. Ayan. So, ito mga fungal diseases na to, mga dati na yan. Pero so far, hopefully makarecover sila. Dry. Marami sa kanila super dry na. So, they really needed water na I didn't have to time water all of them before I left. And I didn't want to water some of them because I just repotted them. Okay, so ito ang propagation pot. Prolifica variegated is starting to rot. Yikes. Sana may matira. Pero nagrarat na yung mga stem niya. And then, ayan. Medyo na mess up din yata ito. Naubusan ng dahon ang ito. Naglalagas din ng ghosty. What's wrong? I think fungal or araw or sobrang dry tas na rot yung mga gitna but anyway, that will survive. Tutubo ng babies yan. Ito rin nag-rot yung ghosty. Nabasa ata yung mga ito, natalisikan or something, kaya ganyan. Anyway, that's fine. Clavatum, super dry. They need water. Hay nako! Magsigalis kayo dyan! Baba! Hay nako. Sumusunod na naman sila sa akin kasi naghahabulan sila ng mga Yan. So, ayan. Yan. Okay, this side, ang maraming mess. Ayan, ang daming nahulog dito. Dahil, I bet, my cat na umakyat-akyat dito. Diba? Nakakainis. So, I think I might need to transfer these kapag nag-settle na sila. This might need to be transferred in bigger pots. And ito pa lang, ito black na shade. Iniwan ko sila na under this black netting shade. Shade net. Whatever. And ayun, medyo nagka-fungal ito. Kailangan yata niya ng either more sunshine or circulation or nahalo sa ibang mga fungal infections. May konting rin to powdery mildew ang ito. Bianco. Ganda niyan. Gusto ko yan. And may mga powdery mildew silang maliliit. So, ayun. They need sunshine, they need circulation, they need water. But the tricky thing is gonna be, they're gonna need water, but they got powdery mildew. So, I don't know. But this one, let's look at this pot. I love this pot. Nag-dry na to. Ito ay insect na nag-dry out na nahanap ko at I thought it would make a good, ayun, nakatutok ba yung camera natin? I think it would make a good ornament in this pot. Dried na ano bang insect ito. But anyway, ang cute niya. This pot is thriving. Totoo ako. But there's a little bit of powdery mildew, I think. Or I don't know. Pero medyo na to. Kailangan niya ng konting sunshine, I guess. But it's still looking good. Ayan, yung lapit pala ng camera ko. Hindi nyo nakikita. Ayan, nag-stretch out na ito. This needs more sunlight para yung shape niya hindi masyadong so far looking good ang mga nandito. Ayun, ay, kakayanin pa ba nito mag-survive? Ito na lang natitira sa ano ko. Dance cup. Chinese dance cup. Chinese dance cup ba? Kalimutan ko pangalan. Basta dance cup. And ayun, marami na namang natumba ng mga dry na pots. Ayan, mga bagong tanim. Kailangan ayusin yung mga yan. Maraming mga natumba-tumba. Uy, si Graptopetalum mendozae. Kailangan niya ng araw. Dahil super dry na siya dyan. At I think naihian to or what. Basta, hindi na siya maganda. Excuse me. And ayun, nagdadry na rin ito. Mukhang may humukay sa kanya at umihi or something. Itong house, ano ba to? Aglonema. And yung mga babies doon, tumba-tumba. So far, yung mga nasa shelf na to ay mukhang okay. And ito rin. But dahan-dahan, huwag mong maapakan. But uy, yung mga nandun din sa ilalim. Okay, so far medyo muntik na silang damage din. Ayan, tumba-tumba. Tumba-tumba. Uy, ano to? Okay ba to? Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na itututok yung camera ko. Ayan, so far buhay pa to. Paborito ko yan. Sana mag-thrive lang siya. But I think I need to propagate this one para magkaroon ako ng backup kung just in case mag-rot yung buong stem. But hindi ko alam kung saan puputulin. Maybe 1 or 2 puputol ako dito somewhere. Kailangan ko pa ng propagation. And ayan. So ayun, dahil nasa black shade net sila, hindi sila nasunog sa araw so far, pero kailangan din nila ng a little bit more sunshine at saka ng circulation dito sa banda rito dahil medyo ang daming powdery mildew. And iaayos ko na ulit sila habang nandito na naman ako sa Baguio. And finally, tatapusin ko na yan. Actually, natutokso ako na mag-order ulit ng bagong halaman. Ayun, namatay na yun. I think. Hindi na niya kinaya. That was fine. Ayun. So, that's the update so far. Yung mga anthuriums din, kailangan nila ng DLC. Marami tayong ayusin. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Perhaps today or tomorrow. But, umuwi kami dito sa Baguio. We're gonna need to ano bang gagawin ko dito sa Baguio. Sasamahan ko yung tita ko kasi gusto niyang pasyalan yung Panagbenga and all. Bakasyonista siya. So, sasamahan ko siya. Mamasyal-masyal. So, wala tayong masyadong time na mag garden. Pero, ito, these plants need immediate attention. Still, kailangan ko pa rin ayusin yung mga yan. So, ayun. Yun lang naman so parang update sa ngayon. Powder mildew and stuff. How to get rid of all those. And, kailangan ko ayusin yung area na to. Sa kabilang area, medyo okay pa. And I might need to transfer some of the plants over there. And this shade net, I think, I'm still gonna keep it in here para hindi masyadong masunog yung mga plants. Dahil coming March and April is gonna be summer. So, baka tumindi yung araw. Pero kailangan din nila ng more na circulation. So, these plants might need, I might have to transfer some plants on the east side of the balcony because I said, just like I said before, yung east side ng balcony magaganda ang growth ng mga plants doon because they get morning sunshine only and they get good circulation in there, I guess. And they just grow well in there. Afternoon sunshine, too much na yun para sa kanila. May tendency na silang sunburn. So, yeah, maybe that's my theory. Na maybe yung mga naaarawan ng morning sunshine lang dito sa area ng ating bahay, ng aming bahay, ay mas maganda yung growth nila. These badly needs water. And powdery mildew na powdery mildew itong mga area na to. Dati maganda yung sunshine dito pero na-over nga sila. So nasusunog. That's why I put the shade net, but the thing is nagkakahawa-hawa naman sila ng powdery mildew dahil I think nabawasan ng air circulation. Okay, that's just it for today. Itututok ko na lang siya sa aking paboritong spot so far, ang camera. But that's the update for today. That's what happened when I left my plants for like a month. I haven't really finished caring for all of them. I mean, repotting all of them. So the plants, many of the plants have suffered, and then they're so dry now. They badly need water, so they need more TLC, and I might need to order more, like I said, because I want brand new, prettier plants. Just like this one. This needs a replacement. Poor one. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in another video. I might show some clips soon later on about our Baguio adventure. Adventure. Mga pasyal-pasyal namin dito sa Baguio. Kung what's up na about flower festival. So, yun, plant related pa rin naman. So, if you're interested in that, follow along, subscribe, or check out the new videos later on. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye bye for now.